Okay, I need you to see something, because every time we talk about robots, people imagine these futuristic humanoids walking around like sci-fi extras. But then they trip over a cardboard box and the magic disappears. But this, what you're about to see, this is different. Kinisi just dropped a robot that honestly feels like the first real step toward robots working shoulder to shoulder with humans. No hype, no over-promising, just results. And honestly, it's kind of insane. So picture this, a robot rolling into a warehouse, and instead of cautiously tiptoeing around obstacles like a nervous intern, it navigates the space like it has been working there for years. It scans the environment in 3D, instantly understands where everything is, and just gets to work. No cloud lag, no connecting pop-ups. Everything happens on board. This thing basically has its own brain tucked inside the chassis. And the wildest part, Kinisi didn't go the traditional humanoid route. They said, why make it walk if wheels are literally faster, safer, and better for factories? And honestly, they're right. The KR1, their main robot, is twice as fast as a legged humanoid. And while the legged robots are still trying to figure out how to climb stairs without making people nervous, the KR1 is already lifting heavy boxes, picking items from shelves, stacking inventory, and handling delicate materials like it's no big deal. This is the part that blew my mind. You don't need some huge robotics team to program it. You literally show it the task. Just demonstrate it, and the robot learns. It's like training a new employee, except this one never forgets, never gets tired, and never pretends not to hear you when you say one more shift. Kinisi keeps saying, we don't design for the hypothetical, and that explains everything. These robots weren't built for YouTube views. They weren't made for acrobatics or viral dance routines. They were built to solve very real, very unglamorous problems. Picking, packing, sorting, stocking, repeating, and they do it in the exact kind of chaotic, unpredictable environments where traditional automation just falls apart. Let me show you an example. You know those storerooms with random boxes halfway opened, some stuff stacked neatly, other things thrown in like someone gave up halfway? The KR1 thrives in that mess. It can grab the heavy stuff without a wobble and the delicate stuff without crushing it. Like, how many robots can switch from lifting a bulky carton to placing a fragile part with gentle precision back to back without being reprogrammed? This thing can. And here's something you probably didn't expect. Kinisi robots don't depend on the cloud for their intelligence. Everything is processed on the robot itself. That means no internet outage is going to freeze it in the middle of a task like, give me a second. It just keeps going. Privacy, better. Reliability, better. Speed, way better. But what really puts Kinisi ahead is how grounded they are. Their founder literally said, we don't design for the hypothetical. You feel that philosophy in every clip. These robots aren't meant to impress you. They're meant to work, to integrate into warehouses that already exist, to scale without custom infrastructure, to adapt to your workflow, not the other way around. This is the first time a robot actually looks ready to walk, well, roll into a real factory and start earning its paycheck. And I'm calling it right now. This approach is going to explode, not because it looks cool, but because it finally makes sense. Wheels where wheels are better. Humanoid-level dexterity where humans excel. Onboard intelligence instead of cloud dependency. And actual, repeatable, reliable performance in chaotic human-centered spaces. This isn't the future. This is the version of robotics we were supposed to get years ago. So if you thought humanoids were the end game, think again. Kinisi just rewrote the playbook. And honestly, every other robotics company is now playing catch-up. If you want me to break down how KR1 learns tasks or compare it to other humanoids like Unitree or 1X, let me know in the comments. Because trust me, we're just getting started.